Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to find your public wallet address on Trust Wallet. This is the address you use to receive crypto from others. So yes, let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Let me enter my passcode for this one. Now from the home screen, pick the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT or BNB. Let me go with Ethereum for now. Now tap on Receive. You will now see your public wallet address as a long string of letters and numbers along with a QR code. Tap Copy to copy your wallet address. You can then share this address with anyone who wants to send you crypto. Always make sure you are sharing the correct wallet address for the correct blockchain. For example, use a BNB Smart Chain BEP20 address only for BEP20 tokens. Use an Ethereum ERC20 address only for ERC20 tokens. Sending to the wrong network can cause you to lose your funds. And that's it. That's how you can find and copy your public wallet address on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.